right now the agreement of TLP, as we signed, stands executed. This was the only promise we made, that we will bring this issue to the parliament. The issue has been brought to the parliament and the agreement is fulfilled.
Because people were claiming they were 10, 14, so there were 3 people, 2 died one day before and 1 died last night, and it becomes.
This is a private bill. This is not a government's bill. So the private member of parliament has right to express any opinion they can. So this is not the government's position. Government's position is what Prime Minister Imran Khan has expressed in his speech day before. But obviously, it's anyone can have any opinion.
Because Parliament does not make foreign policy, nor does it govern diplomatic relations. If the Parliament decides that they can request the government to ask the French ambassador to leave.
State has the power to decide the international relation, and no man, no group asks the state to do this and this. So state has the power to take all international decisions. This is in this resolution.
Government cannot allow, these groups, and especially the violent groups on the streets, to dictate foreign policy. And this is the right of the government to actually formulate foreign policy. We cannot abdicate this power. So that's why the language of the resolution was changed, and this was the problem that they were talking.
We are bound to give them all kind of security, and we assure them there is a full, complete and wonderful security, and everybody is appreciating. Today, High Commissioner British met me in my office, and on behalf of the French, they also appreciated. And whosoever or any foreigner want any security, a special security, we can ready to provide this. All cities are secure, working nicely, and totally situation is under control.
The international media picks and chooses in this rather discriminatory fashion on return of an ambassador from Pakistan. It becomes such a big thing, and it hasn't even happened. The government has clearly stated that it's not in our interest, but Parliament is Parliament, and they have a right to express their views. And if they suggest to us, obviously the government will look at the situation then, but so far nothing has happened.
The language of the resolution was under discussion, and the primary problem was they were asking to expel the French ambassador. Government never wanted to put this thing in the resolution. So now if you see the resolution, it says debate on the expulsion and not the expulsion. So it's a debate on the expulsion that is under discussion and not the expulsion itself. So this is a kind of a huge difference on the language. So this led to actually this incident.
So maybe focus should be on other countries, like the Russians sending back diplomats, or the Americans sending them, Czechoslovakia sending 10 Russian diplomats back and threatening to break off relations, and so on. I mean, these are bigger issues if you're talking about return of diplomats, surely.
And Pakistan is a great country for European Union citizens to come and invest, to come and visit. We would love European Union citizens to come and visit Pakistan. Yes. And we have just relaxed visas also. As you know, e-visas are now very easily available. So I call upon all the European Union citizens, come to Pakistan. It's as safe as maybe New York.
Pakistan is a safer place.
True. Thank you very much.